In this video, we will learn to copy files using the shutil module in Python. We will create a file 1.py and write some text in it. Then we will use shutil.copy function to copy this file's content to another file. First, we will import shutil utility and import OS module. Then we will do shutil.copy, and we need a file 1.py. I will add some content to file 1.py. Let's create another. Name this file as file1. I'll write just print hello, then print hi from networks, and save it. File1.py. And in our main code, just add another file name like file2.py, where we want our content to be copied. So we're gonna do this, and just then print a message, print file copied. I need to save this one too. Give it a name called .py. Need to run it. Terminal. So I'm just gonna list my directories. So make sure there is this file 1.py and our cop.py. I'm gonna do Python copy cop.py and hit enter. It says file copied. I'm gonna list again ls. Now we can see file2.py. We need to open and see its content. Yeah, you can see it copied the file1's content to file2.py. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.